rains have unleashed unimaginable horror in Hyderabad and other parts of Telangana. NDTV Zuma Sudhir tweeted a video of a man being washed away with a massive gush of flood waters near Falaknama, where roads turned into fast-flowing streams of water. Elsewhere in the city, cars were seen floating in the flooded streets. Massive gushing streams of water were seen flowing through the streets of Hyderabad after incessant rain on Tuesday. At several places, trees were uprooted and power lines were snapped due to gushing winds and rains.
Once upon a time, in the very beginning, Earth was a single landmass called Pangaea. It is 250 million years before, and again due to various types of work inside the earth, it break into pieces and start to move in various directions. See, here I am talking about Indian part. From Africa near Madagascar, a landmass was called Gondwana. It is approaching northward and collide with, in previous slide, I have shown this Gondwana pressing Eurasia and produce here Himalayan mountain system and always producing earthquake here, and due to this earthquake we are in trouble, we are in fear. So this type of earthquake always giving shock to this area, and due to this we are thinking many things. See, its inner part below the surface you will get this type of rock system. This is this is Pakistan, Afghanistan, and this Nepal and Bhutan. Himalayan geology is there, and then this is Myanmar. In this part, always we are getting various types of shock. Innumerable earthquakes were there, and these shocks creating earthquake here, but this soil is very soft, this whole, and there is a very big city, our capital Delhi, and it is also under very dangerous condition, and there are, very soft soil. So here we are to think about the geology, and whatever we like to do, we are to think again and again. Without that, we should not take any plan to do here. See, I am showing simple small part of northern part of Assam, and see the Himalayan rivers are coming, falling here in Brahmaputra, and this part is very fragile, soft soil, very heavy rainfall, and innumerable number of rivers are there, and erosion is also very high, and Brahmaputra gradient is very, very low, and its carrying capacity also very low because its gradient is very low. And I am showing this entire Brahmaputra valley, on the other side the Ganga valley, and transporting all the water from this part, that's Himalayan part, and transporting through this narrow, very, very fragile valley, Brahmaputra Valley. So whatever we like to do it with cautious. If we construct very big dam here, it is very dangerous for us. So we, whatever for development, we think and do well research. Without that, we should not do anything, because for the name of development, we will kill our man. See here, so many earthquakes I have shown here. Here is a fault line, here is thrust, here is lineaments are there. So all these, creating this part, almost northern India is in dangerous condition, because almost every day creating 6 to 20 earthquake here, very small earthquake, and these small earthquake also giving us hope that big earthquake will take some time for creating a very big earthquake here. So we are to think about it. See, I am showing you 13 August 20 to 20 August 20. That is within 7 days in China, Myanmar, this part, there was 206 earthquake in 2020. So what happened? Earthquake never come alone. It come with landsliding, it come with flood, it come with various types of small disasters. So whenever we think, we are to think for structural damage. No, earthquake beings, landsliding, earthquake beings, change of earth surface, change of river course. So we are to think, if we do without any research, any type of developmental work, it will give us dangerous. This year 2021, so this year also there was several earthquake in northeast India plus in northern part of India. So there are very, very big dams are there, dam height is also increased, and it is very, very dangerous for us. Not only that, what river function, their amendments, dike we constructed, they all are fractured now, and we are to check them. Otherwise, flood water will come in July, August, September. Then what we will do, I don't know. So we should think the movement will be there, movement is there, and rest for some moment only, but not rest, it is in movement. So movement is our hope and life, rest is death. So all of us should think about the character of